It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, let's go, guys. So, your girl is participating in another Craft Your Stash collaboration that is being hosted by Sunflower Tosha DIYs as well as Bella's Bargains. So, guys, I'll give you a little bit more about these beautiful ladies as we move along in the DIY process. But first, let's get into the first DIY. So what I'm doing is basically taking this easel board, this mini easel board, and this cork adhesive sheet that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I am going to cut down the cork sheet to fit on top of this easel. Once that is done, I am going to take this box that has the wordings Live, Laugh, and Love on it. I am going to fit it down to size and then glue it down using some of that Eileen's glue to put on top of the cork sheet. Guys, I want to welcome all of my new subscribers to the channel, and I want to welcome back my returning subscribers. I just want you guys to know that I appreciate each and every one of you for rocking with me. You don't even have to, but you chose to. And for that, I say thank you. And I want each one of you to know that I appreciate you so very much. I really do, guys. And so as you can see, like I stated, I just applied some of that Eileen's glue to the back side of this piece, glued it down, and now I'm taking and gluing down some of this beautiful lace ribbon that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I am going around the perimeter of these wordings, Live, Laugh, and Love, making sure that it is secure on top of the cork sheet. And then you'll see me move along to taking one of the screw stickers. This is the bronze looking stickers that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I am applying one in each corner of this piece. And guys, that's it for that project. Now let's move on to DIY number 2. As you can see, I am taking some of that wall hanging shelves. I have 3 of them, and I'm removing all of the hanging pieces, applying some spackling over the holes, and then you'll see me sand that down. And then after you see me sand that down, I'm going to move along to applying some of that agave paint. It is a Waverly brand chalk paint that you can find at Walmart. And guys, while you watch me paint this piece, I just want to give you a little bit of information about Sunflower Tosha DIYs, or Tosha. She is such a sweet person, and one thing I've learned about Tosha in this short period of time that I've been following her is that she loves God, and I can appreciate that so very much. And she is not afraid to let you know. And not only that, she is such an amazing crafter. She loves using different mediums to create art. She loves just the craft. She loves DIYing. She loves thrifting. She loves repurposing things. She used to be a former chalk couture rep. I mean, there's so much I can say about her just by reading her intro or a little blurb about her, as well as watching her videos and just following her. She's an amazing crafter. You guys, if you have yet to check her out, please head over to her channel, Sunflower Tosha DIYs, and show your support to her. And also, when it comes to Bella is just, from what I see and on her channel and just what I've read in her bio section, she is just like, hey, I love to do hauls and I love to DIY. That's it. This is what I enjoy doing. And she loves doing things that's easy and where you can have, get more bang for your buck. She loves a bargain, and who doesn't? So when I say crafting your stash fits both of these beautiful ladies, what more can I say? I have so much stuff, so this resonates with me. And my girl Felicia with BOK Media Life is always getting on me about crafting my stash. And we just did a Craft Your Stash Uncle T approved collaboration just on, I think it was Wednesday. So I'm going to link the playlist to this video or this collaboration, as well as the other collaborations I participated in underneath the description of this video. So as you've seen, I am just painting all of the pieces that I'm going to put together. What I'm going to do is create a box. Now with that third extra piece of wood, I did have to cut it down and create the size for the box. And I did cut it down to 5 inches. And that was it. And guys, you guys know how I get. In my head, I be coming up with stuff. And like I keep trying to tell people, and if you're new to my channel, I cannot draw a straight line with the ruler. So there's no shame in my game for that, okay? It really isn't, because I really be trying. I really do. And so when I came up with this particular piece, I was going a totally different direction. But then these letters right here didn't work for me. The E, the A, and T, which, by the way, I purchased from Dollar General for only 90 cents because they had them with a 10% discount, guys. And so you can spell the word eight, T, or eat. And so I decided to spell the word eat. Again, keep in mind, guys, this was for something else. And it just didn't work out. So I had the brilliant idea to, hey, what you was going to do for this second DIY, just change it around and do something else related to a kitchen or movie room organizational piece. So guys, we are going to make a snack box, and on the back side of the box, it's going to spell the word eat, E-A-N-T, right? And then on the front side, you'll just have to keep watching to see what I say. What word did I spell out? And so then, as I'm painting and talking with my daughter, I come up with the brilliant idea. Let's distress with this popsicle stick. Now the problem is I got a little heavy-handed, and that's okay, until it wasn't appealing to my eye. So I said, okay, let's sand it down. And then the more and more I looked at it while I was painting around the edges of the other piece, I said, I don't like it. And so I said, well, let's go ahead and just paint on top of it and mute that burnt umber paint all together. And that's exactly what I did on my 2 outside pieces. And so now we're putting together our box. And so what you see me doing is using that Eileen glue as well as some hot glue. And then I'm going to take some of those tumbling tower blocks that you can find at the Dollar Tree and allow this to act as an anchor or a support bar. And when I used to work at a furniture company, when I was younger, learned quickly that furniture making wasn't me. I learned that these are something like brownies. And what this does is provide support for the piece to keep it from falling apart, and more like a bracket or a brace. And that's what this is. And guys, I can't wait for you to see this in the reveal. It's so cute. And now I'm just making sure that it's, secure. And now I'm getting this poster board that you can find at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just cutting out the bottom part. And that's it. I'm just cutting out the bottom part and making sure that it's as even as I can get it. No judgment here. And then once I get this, cut out, I am going to glue it down. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna glue it down. And as you watch me glue that down, I want to bring it back to your remembrance that this is a Craft Your Stash collaboration with host Tosha with Sunflower Tosha DIYs, as well as Bella's Bargains. And guys, all we had to do was just create items out of our stash. Just create your products or create projects from your stash. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Again, if you have yet to support these beautiful ladies, I'm going to link their channels in the description of this video, as well as everyone that's participating in the playlist. Guys, make sure you show your support to each person in the playlist. Show your support to the host. Don't forget to pray for Tosha, pray for her healing. And guys, I can promise you, you will not be disappointed at all. So now for this third piece, I am just gluing it down, and I'm creating like a backing for the items that will be placed on the inside of this box. And now I'm taking some of those bronzy screw. Again, this is stickers. These are not real screws. These are just stickers. And I'm applying them in all four corners of the box. And I did run out of them being on the same size as far as the little screws, but I made it do what it do because I did not want to go and just open up a pack just to make it work. But you guys do what you need to do for you. So now you see I have these the word snacks I put on the front side of this piece, and then I did use the stickers to embellish it by adding 2 of the bronzy flowers or petals on the front side of the word, on one side of the word snacks, while the other on the other side. In the back, when you can't see it here, I am gluing down some more of those sticker screws and putting it on the back side corners. And then I will also be gluing down the word eat. Again, it's going to say eat snacks. Guys, is that not so cute? I think that's going to be cute. Now, the problem with this is it was enough space, right, to fit going across, but me, being me, messed it up. So I just stacked A. It's okay. Let's move on to DIY number 3, because in the reveal, you're not going to be able to tell. And what I'm doing is just taking this rub-on transfer, and I am applying it to the last piece that I had left in this 3-piece wood hanging shelf. And I am just scratching it off using a coin just so it'll transfer over. And that's about it. Together is, I think it says together is where I want to be, something like that. You'll see it in the reveal. I'm not near this particular craft at the moment, and that's okay, because you're just interested in what it looked like, right? It's really cute. And again, I'm showing you wherein I'm using the petal from this sticker pack, gluing it to the top, made this into like a little shelf. And guys, we're into the reveal now. As you can see, these are my lamps that I had created using plasticware from the Dollar Tree in a collab that I uploaded to the channel on Wednesday with the Fab 5 girls. And then here is DIY number 1. I did add a little flower petal to the top, and live every moment, laugh and then love something. I forgot to say him. And then we're gonna move on. Look at this, guys. It's cute. I love my little snack box. So eat snacks. So you can put all kind of things in there. This will be great for a movie room. I mean, just great. So when the kids need to grab something and get out the door, together is my favorite place to be. I think this turned out amazing. Thank you, Tosha. Thank you, Bella, for, inviting us to participate in this open collaboration. I really enjoyed it, and I look forward to collaborating with you beautiful ladies again. Guys, please head on over, check out their videos after you finish watching mine, and support everyone on the playlist. That's how YouTube notices us all.